Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Go On Guitar. We have Wish Wednesday. So Wish Wednesday, you wish for songs and I bring them up here on Go On Guitar. So this time we have you, Alex. You wished for Don Toliver and Kid LAROI's I Need You. So great choice there. We had Kid LAROI a lot lately and Don Toliver here and there also. So great collaboration, I Need You. So this one is special for you, Alex, and for all you Toliver LAROI fans. So let's start this one up. We need to start here with the capo set on the first fret. Much easier to handle this song with this capo on first. So let's do that. And this is just a picking pattern, so we'll not go over any chords or so. We'll of course have some grips going on here. And yeah, anyway, we'll go through this. It's a pattern that goes through the entire song here. So we'll start from the beginning. And we'll start with this part that we'll call the main part. Okay, because this main part will come back for 3 times on this pattern here. So this main part goes like this. Okay, so we'll start with this grip here, 2nd fret on G string and 1st fret on B string. So that's how you start. You're gonna play open D, 2nd G, 1st B. Then you're gonna do this, and that is open E. And then you hammer on the 1st E, and then you pull off to get the open E. So you're gonna use the hammer on and pull off. That means you're gonna just pluck the 1st open E, and then your index finger gonna do the rest here. Hammer on and pull off. Okay? And then you land on the 1st fret B string. So back to the original position there. So that's the first start in this main part here. So again, open D, 2nd G, 1st B, and then this part, and then back to 1st B. Okay? So together it goes like this. And then you're gonna land with this position, and that will end the main part. And that will be 1st fret on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. You're gonna pluck these 3 strings or notes together like this, and that ends the main parts. So together it goes like this slowly. All right, so this is perhaps the hardest part in my opinion to get this right, because you need to go down with this index finger to do this, and then quickly go up to this position. One trick here is to really nail this 2nd fret G string, because this you will have with your middle finger here for the 1st grip here, but also for the 2nd grip. And this goes pretty fast between these 2 grips, okay? So one thing is here to just glue this to the 2nd fret G string. That will stay, and you will work with the other fingers like this, okay? 1st position and 2nd. Okay, so that is the main part together like this with tempo. Again. That's better. Okay, so that is where you need to put your practice, I believe. Okay, so you play this main part first time, and then with this grip, you land on this grip. From this grip, you're gonna play like kind of an ending here. This ending will change after each main part. So you're gonna play 3rd fret D string from the grip, 1st fret A, 2nd G, and back to 3rd D. So that is the first ending, okay? So the main part, and then this pluck here, and then 3rd D, 1st A, 2nd G, 3rd D. Okay? Then you're gonna do a 2nd main part here. But now you have a different ending. This ending now will be 3rd fret on D string, then first on A, and then 2nd on G. So far the 3 notes are the same, but the end notes here, the 4th note will now be on the open G. What I do here, I do this pull off thing here, so I just pluck the 2nd G, and then I just snap it with this finger I'm using here on the 2nd G to get the open G. Alright, so that was the 2nd ending. The only difference from the first one is the last notes. So that is now the open G. So far we've done 2 main parts and 2 endings. Now we're going for the 3rd main part, okay? So again. And now this ending will be the same as the first one. So 3rd D, 1st A, 2nd G, 3rd D. Okay, so to summarize so far, we're about half into this pattern now. We've done 3 main parts and 3 endings. The 1st and the 3rd ending here is the same. The middle one, the 2nd one is a little bit different. Okay, so now we'll go on from this main part, and we're done with that. We're gonna go to something that looks like an F chord. It's based upon F. This part goes like this. Okay, so that will be a grip here. 1st E string, the bass, then 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. Usually with F chords, you hold a bar here over all strings. You don't have to do that now. I think it's better to not to. So you just hold the 1st fret E string as a note, single note there. So you're gonna play 1st fret E, 3rd A, 3rd D, then 2nd G. Here you're gonna use again the hammer on and pull off technique. So as soon as you pick the 2nd G string, you're gonna go down with the little pinky. This is a little bit challenging as well, so you're gonna use your little pinky to hammer on and pull off. So slowly. So I'm just picking the 2nd G here once, and my little finger there is doing the rest here. So, and then you're gonna end with the 3rd fret D string. So you're going back to the standard position there. All right. So this full F part, if we can call it that, is 1st E, 3rd A, 3rd D, 2nd, 3rd, 2nd on D, and back to 3rd on D. Yeah. All right, and that was the F. Now to the final part here, something based upon the C chord. You're gonna pluck 3rd A together with 2nd D, and then you're gonna play this part. So that is 3rd A 2 times, then 2nd D, and you hammer on the 3rd D. You can hammer on or just play it if you want to. Or, yeah. So that pretty much ends this pattern here. So I believe I need to go from the beginning to the end and just explain a little bit quickly how it's wrapped up together, everything. And yeah, let's do this. Now we'll start with the main part again. So the first time here. All right. And then we have the first ending. And then main part again. Then the second ending. Third ending. Main part. Same ending as the first one. And then we'll have this F-based thing here. and then the C. There you have it. Okay, so slowly, without speaking, it sounds like this. And with some standard. So that pretty much covers Don TOLIVER's and LAROI's I Need You. So Alex, I hope you enjoyed this and that you're satisfied with this one. Give some time to this main part. I believe that is the challenge here. As soon as you get that right, everything will fall in right place, I believe, and then you're kind of used to this way of playing. So thank you for this wish, Alex, and I hope all your fans enjoyed it as well. If you did, please thumb up, show me some love, and like this one, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Why not? And you will get a good opportunity here to wish on this channel and get some new good stuff as well. So thanks for watching, guys, and till next time, play tuned.